forget to do good and share it with others. Again, do not forget to do good. And sabi again ni John Wesley, in his famous rule, sabi niya, basahin natin yung malakas, mga kapatid. Do all the good you can, by the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Diba? Ang ganda ng sinabi niya, mga kapatid, diba? Sabi niya, do all the good you can. By all the means you can. Kasi minsan sabi ko nga, pag may pride ka, pinipili mo lang yung tinutulungan mo. Pinipili mo lang yung lalapitan mo. Pinipili mo lang yung gusto mong magtuturo sa'yo ng mali sa'yo. Kasi you have this pride. Pero sabi niya, in all places you can, at all times you can, to all the people you can, as long as ever you can. Diba ang ganda? As long as ever you can. As long as ever you can.